Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Vibrate for recommendations from X notifications on the X app. If you've been missing important alerts or simply prefer to get that quick vibration buzz instead of just a sound or visual notification, this guide is perfect for you. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll have this setting turned on and working right away. First, let's start by going into your phone settings. This is where all the customization for your apps and notifications takes place. Once you've opened the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you every app installed on your device. Next, find and tap on X app in the list. After selecting it, you'll see several options for how the app behaves on your phone, including notifications, permissions, and storage details. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on the notifications. Now tap on Notifications. Here, you can manage all types of alerts the app sends to your phone. What we're looking for is something more specific, so the next step is to tap on Notification Categories. Within this menu, each type of notification from X is listed separately. Scroll until you see the option labeled Recommendations from X. Go ahead and tap on that to open up its settings. Inside this section, you'll notice different ways to control how these specific notifications behave. To make sure you don't miss a recommendation, simply toggle on the Vibrate option. When this is enabled, you'll feel a vibration every time you get a recommendation notification from the app, ensuring you stay updated without having to rely only on sounds or the notification banner. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Vibrate for recommendations from X notifications on the X app. From now on, your phone will buzz each time you receive a recommendation, giving you a quick and subtle way to stay informed. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply the same steps to any other notification category where you'd like vibrations enabled. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you stay on top of your alerts.